Say hi, ladies.
Hi, chickens. I know.
You know. What do you know?
Chickens.
You know chickens. Can you pat one of them gently? Oh, she'll let you pat her. Pat her, the big white one.
Big one.
Oh, she's crazy.
I'm checking it.
Hey, let's not chase her. That scares her.
Chickens. Up. My big chicken up.
Well, that's the gray one. Look. Hilda. Say hi, Hilda.
Hi. Hi, chicken.
Careful.
My pig one.
Are there? Be careful. Don't drop them.
Mommy.
Can you get it carefully?
Yeah.
Grab it. There's 3. Here, bring them here.
Chickens lay on them.
Yeah, they did. 1, 2.
I will hold this one.
Okay, don't drop it, okay?
Hi, chickens.
Are you excited? Let me see it. What color is it?
Gray.
It's pink.
It's pink.
Yep, all right. Let's go. We're going to hope they come over on the garden beds.
I will hold this one.
Tick, 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 tick.
They'll throw it.
Tick, 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 tick.
I will throw it.
No. Come here. Tick, 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 tick. Chickens. Quack, 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 quack. Come on, I took your little ringleader. Let's go.
It's funny.
I don't mind if there's some. Do you think you can catch one for me?
Yeah.
Here, give me the egg.
Hold it.
No, I'll hold it. Go check it. Catch one. Pick her up. Grab her, quick. Okay, no more.
Don't catch her.
I'll catch her.
Why catch white one?
She jumped. Tick, tick, tick. Come here. Chicky.
Mommy, feed two chickens.
Chicken. Hang on. I'm going to try and catch it.
Like me.
Okay, can you throw it? Ow.
I got this.
Say, ladies, here, throw it that way. Throw it that way. Towards the garden. They're going towards it. Throw it that way again. That way.
This way.
Yeah, that way.
Here's your chicken. Here's your chicken. Here's your eating it.
Yeah.
And we feel you know I was.
Well, you have to catch it. Rika, get down. Matt, get down. Good job. Yeah, you patted her.
Hi, chicken.
I think that's Peaches.
Any pieces?
Her name is Peaches. That's her name.
Hi. Hi, chicken.
It's kind of messed up. She's eating her own baby. Sacrifice an egg or two to get him to come over here. So be it. Look, the white one's over here now.
There's white one in there. That's not.
Wait. You're going to scare her. I want her to stay in there.
I don't want to stay in there. That's no one.
Yay! She went in it. Good job, chicken. Look, that's it. We gave a ball. She's eating the seeds we put in there. Oh, she went through the fence. Crazy bird. That's it. We only had 3. I gave them all 1, 2, 3. Say hi, Cal. Hi, buddy. Hi, little bunny. Oh, his food's a little lopsided. Hold on, bud. Hold on.
Mommy.
Hold on, please. I'm fixing his food. Are your hands cold?
I got hurt.
Okay, why don't you go up to the porch? favorite animal?
Turtle.
A turtle. Why you like turtles? What do you like turtles for?
I like turtles.
Yeah, how come?
And by a tree. That turtle by a tree.
What do you like turtles for though? Do you like turtles because they crawl?
Yeah.
Is it because they smell funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, do turtles smell funny?
There's claw.
They do have claws. They crawl, yes, they crawl.
See? Different ways. That's 2 ways.
Yeah.
There was no deer.
No, there's no deer right now.
There's no dad deer.
There's a dad deer. Where? Where's the dad deer?
Dad deer. Puppy's barking at daddy deer.
Yeah, the puppies bark at daddy deer, huh?
There's another daddy deer. Hold my apple.
What for? Are you all done with it?
I got feed 2 birds.
You want me to throw it over to the chickens?
Yeah.
Oh, uh-oh.
That won't egg it.
Yeah, they can't get it. Okay. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I know this video was a little different than some of my other ones, and there's not really a whole lot of work other than when we were working on the new herb spiral, but I thought you guys would like to see the new chickens we invited into our flock and what we usually do during work day. We never really get a whole project done in a day unless my husband's home and we're really working at it. But sometimes it's fun to do little things while we can and then have lazy moments in between. And when it's as warm as it was, it's easy to do. If you like my content, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, share, anything like that. And we'll see you next time.